Can a $20 accessory like these lenses here actually make that big of a difference in your cell phone photos? You be the judge. Hey guys, it's Jameson with 6x6 Studios. Welcome back to the Nerd Cave. Today we are going to be checking out lenses for your cell phone. Just clip-on lenses. I have ordered a set of 3 of these from Amazon, some of the best reviewed ones, around 20-25 bucks. And you get to check out and see which one is the best value. So you're actually going to be surprised because it's not quite what you think it's going to be. This is the first one. It's a Zakitane. I'm sorry, these names are impossible, but it's just one big lens, and it's a wide angle, a 0.5x, so anything that you throw this on, any lens setting that you put on your camera, it's going to half it basically, so you get quite a bit more in the frame. So I'm going to show you some pictures with and without this lens on, and you guys tell me what you think. It also comes with a macro lens that you can unscrew part of this from, so if you notice, that front part will come off. And you're left with the macro lens, so you can use this to take pictures of, I've done it with irises of people's eyes or flowers, things like that. Anything you want to get real close to, this is going to help you get really close to it. So I'm going to show you some of those pictures as well. So this is the first one. It was around 10 bucks whenever I bought it originally, so pretty good value for just a little lens here, so check out and see what it is capable of. Okay, so here we go. Here's the first picture. This is with no lens on a Google Pixel 2 XL. So as you can see, it looks really good. The camera on this phone is amazing. And here is the picture with the wide angle lens. So it's a 0.5x. So it really increases a lot of the field of view of this picture, as you can see. Now, if you noticed around the edges, you do lose a little bit of detail around the edges, which is to be expected with a wide angle lens, but this one's definitely noticeable. So what you don't see in this picture is the 3 to 4 minutes I spent fooling with the clip to get it to clip directly onto the camera lens. If you are overlapping just a little bit on this, you get terrible glare from the flash that's sitting next to the camera. So don't be fooled. It's not an easy setup on this lens, but it does take decent pictures. So here is a macro shot of my fiance's engagement ring. This is without a macro lens on it. As you can see, it looks terrible. If you want to get real close, it is impossible with a regular camera. So here it is with the macro lens installed, and as you can see, it's pretty good. It really brings out a lot of the detail. I'm sitting about 10 to 20 millimeters away, a centimeter or 2 away from the ring here in this picture, and I've got it lit from both sides. So it's a really nice shot. It turned out really good with the macro lens, and this is definitely something you couldn't do with just the camera by itself, so it's kind of neat. All right, so there is that first lens, that Zakitane wide angle lens, or however you pronounce that crazy name. Anyway, I really liked it. For $10, if you were just wanting to up your selfie game a little bit, get a few more people in there, this thing is awesome. It's $10, links down in the description, down on Amazon. Check it out. Definitely worth fooling around with, even if you're an amateur. Now, this is what got me interested in ordering the other 2 kits from Amazon, to see if spending a little bit more money was actually worth it to improve the quality of the lenses. I thought if $10 could get me this, then what could 20 or 30 bucks get me? So that is what I've got behind me here. We're gonna go to the most expensive one next, the Hautik. It was around $30, and it had a ton of lenses in it. It was, I think it was a 5-in-1 kit, something like that. But I'll open it up and show you here in just a second what all it comes with. All right, so it is a 5-in-1 kit. Check out this giant lens at the bottom. It is a 12 times telephoto lens, which none of the other kits even have. It's kind of neat, kind of cool. Wait till you check that out. It's also got a CPL filter, which will help you get rid of glare. It's got a fisheye lens, and it's also got a 0.65 wide angle lens, which isn't quite as wide as the other one. So it should be a little bit clearer, and a macro lens as well, just like the other one. So here we go. We're gonna check out the pictures taken with these. So here is the telephoto picture without and with the lens on. So as you can see, it's kind of cool. It's hard to stay steady, hard to take a nice picture. You really need to be stable to do this. Here is the fisheye lens. Now, not really sure what all you would use this for, just for, you know, messing around maybe, but it takes some cool pictures. And here is the picture without and with the wide angle lens. As you can see, it's nice wide. The problem with these lenses are they are grainy. They are just, the glass quality is not good. As you can see, the picture quality has gone way down from using these lenses, and I don't think that these are actually worth the $28 that you spend for them. The coolest lens is the 12 times telephoto, and I don't know how much you'd actually use that. So in my opinion, the Hautik 5-in-1, $28, don't skip it. Just don't even mess with it. It is not worth the 28 bucks. Turns your pictures into grainy messes. So the last lens kit is this Kaiess photo lens kit. Now this is a 9-in-1 kit for about 20 bucks. So I had like no expectations at all for this, and this ends up being the best of the lot. Now there are a ton of just throwaway filters in here, just things that you would probably never use, but it comes with them anyway, like a Kaleidoscope lens. I don't know what you would use a Kaleidoscope lens, or a starburst light lens that makes every light in the scene look like it's a cross light. But it does come with 2 different macro lenses and 2 different wide angle lenses, a really wide and a normal wide angle, and a super macro and a not super macro. So those are my favorite of the 2. So I'm going to show you a couple of pictures with those right now. So here is the picture without the wide angle lens on, nothing on it right now. And here it is with the regular wide angle lens. So as you can see, it's really nice. It does not have that graining that the other set had. It's actually really nice. Again, the outside of it's going to get a little bit less clear than the center, but that's to be expected on a wide angle lens. And here is the super wide. This is my favorite lens. I love this thing. This you can get so many people in a selfie in this. It's ridiculous. The frame increase is incredible. So by far my favorite. It's also got the, like I said, throwaway lenses. Here's the Kaleidoscope, kind of dumb in my opinion, and the starburst lens, kind of dumb as well. But the wide angle lenses in this kit are worth it alone. I'd recommend this for $20. So Kaiess doing a great job. You could probably make a cheaper kit if you didn't throw in those throwaway lenses. I'd maybe recommend that, so that people could just buy the wide angles. That's what I really think is worth it out of this kit anyway. So anybody looking to purchase any of these kits, they're down below. Don't get the middle one. Get this one or the first one, depending on how much money you want to spend on it. So go check it out. I'm Jameson with 6x6 Studios. Thank you so much for checking out this video today. Like, subscribe, comment down below. I really appreciate the words of encouragement and all the comments on my last videos. If you guys have any topics that you'd like me to go over, please hit me up down below. I'd love to make a video that one of you is looking for. So again, I'm Jameson with 6x6 Studios. Keep it nerdy.